Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video, we will be discussing about Amazon EC2 instance type. This is very important thing whenever we are going to spin any EC2 instance. We have to choose the best EC2 instance, and that depends upon what type of project you are going to deploy. So Amazon provides different types of instances. So based upon the requirement, we have to choose which instance we need to spin or we need to compute. So in this video, we will be discussing all the different types of instance, and we will be discussing what is the purpose of each instance. So let us start the video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please click on the subscribe button so that you get important updates whenever a new video is uploaded. So Amazon EC2 instance, as I said, that it all depends upon which instance type you are going to choose, because your cost, your functionality of the program, everything depends upon the instance type. So first thing is like we have a family of instance type. So first thing is like general purpose. So general purpose is like it is a balanced approach in which like we are getting everything in balanced way. I mean, in terms of memory, in terms of networking, and so all the simple programs, all the simple projects which doesn't have the requirement of high memory, high storage, then high disk input output. So all those programs, all those projects can be easily handled using general purpose. So this is the general purpose family of instance where like normal projects can be done. Now if we have some program or a project that requires high performance of processor, so again in that case we cannot use this general purpose instance type. We have to choose compute optimized. So we have a family of compute optimized where it is a CPU intensive, lots of performance, high performance processors, and as I told you that it is compute optimized. So we have batch processing, then we have media transcoding, high performance web servers in which like lots of computing is required. So those things we can do in compute optimized. Then the next case is like memory optimized, in which like we require lots of memory, so in memory processing and everything. So the main thing is like everything is processed within the in memory, and then we need to give a good performance to the user. So there we go for memory optimized. Then we have a case in which like we need lots of read write operation on the disk. We need low latency. So wherever storage is required, wherever we have workloads that requires high and sequential read write access. So it is again related to your hard disk where lots of input requests will be coming. There will be lots of input output operation per seconds. So where this IOPS concept is there, so we go for storage optimized. You cannot randomly go and create a EC2 instance without knowing its functions. Sometimes like we require GPU instead of CPU. So again, all the above families that we have discussed, those are not going to work. We need to have a family based upon a requirement. If lots of input output operation is to be done, we will definitely go for storage optimized. If only memory is main important where we are focusing on the performance, so in that case we go for memory optimized. And finally, if I discuss the instance type that is very powerful, and we require, suppose we want to run a model, some ML code is there, and it requires high input output operation. It requires in terms of calculation and everything, hardware accelerator, we go for accelerated computing. So to perform functions such as floating point numbers calculation, the main thing is graphic processing, where like we have our AMD processors, then we have NVIDIA processor for high graphic processing, data pattern matching more efficiently than is possible in software running on CPUs. So if we want to move from CPU to GPU, again in accelerated computing, in storage optimized, there will be lots of different EC2 instance types, but again we have to go for the main category and then we can choose. So we can choose like 128 GB RAM, we can choose 256 GB RAM, we can have like more number of vCPUs, we can have SSDs. So first of all we have to select the family and then we need to create or spin our EC2 instance. So friends, it was all about Amazon instance type. And before spinning your any EC2 instance, any creating any virtual server, we need to choose the broader family and then we can create our EC2 instances. So friends, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.